First dig, just trying to figure it out, just a pin. See what else is out there. Other people out there digging. Looks like a big old rain guide. Big, folded, very heavy chunk of lead. Weighing up high. Everything seems to be today. See you in the next. This ring up like a 30. Nice D-buckle, tack buckle. Not sure how old, but crazy signal. See you in the next. '23, we'll see what it is. Okay, gonna start digging. Back to some. Ring up like a 30. Nice little brass, bronze leather. Lever. Pretty cool. On to the next. Little teeny bit. With a little buckle. Ring up kind of funky. First coin, I believe it's a weedy. I have to check and see if I can find the dip. 1 second. Buckle number 4, and definitely a buckle day. Can't really see it too well. I believe it is a 1944 weedy. At least that's what I can see for right now. On to the next. Interesting chain link. Never seen anything like that before. On to the next. Still pocket knife. Well, I believe it. Second target. I believe it's a weedy. Can't really tell a date or anything on it yet. Have to clean it up later. See you in the next one. I believe it's a... well, can't see. It is, I don't know, get back in a second. Wow, I haven't found one of those Merry Widows. Condom tin. That's a first. On to the next. I didn't show the dig, but I like getting these. It's a bird tag. Not too old, but put it in my collection. On to the next. $19.99 Clyde quarter. Found a ring. Found a ring. Looks to be a kid's ring. I don't know if it's silver. I'm gonna clean it up with some water and we shall see. Okay, back in a second.